Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today a new radio was in my mailbox, which some of you probably already know under a different brand name. So let's have a closer look. Stay tuned. In this box is the RETEVIS or RETEVIS or however you pronounce it, A3. But before I start unboxing, I show you a picture so you know what I mean when I say you have seen this before. Let's get inside this box and let's have a look. There is the radio, there is a manual which comes in English and German, yeah, because it's for Germany and Austria. And yeah, there's the radio. And there is an receiving antenna. Hold it over here, then you see it better. Let me turn it on. I have to say the display is frequency mode. Tiny. Okay, it's also talking. When I compare it to the display of this Aluance HA1UV, this is much better. And this is color. This is a color display, and this is some kind of yeah, it's an LCD, of course, with some kind of blue white-ish background. Let's put this aside again and let's have a closer look what's inside here. There is, oops, sorry. There is the antenna, also similar to the Quansheng, or not similar, it's the same antenna. Is there a brand name on it? It says TX1. Okay, there is no logo or brand name on the antenna. There is a programming cable, and there is the desktop charger, and there is also this little power supply, and there is the mount for, there's the belt clip. Let's see how this works. Okay. Phew. It's definitely very hard to... Okay, slide in. Here we go. Let's see how easy it is to remove. Just pull this little... Nope. Wrong direction maybe. Okay, this is definitely... Yeah, very hard to clip on and remove. Come on, oops. Here we go. This is a very strong spring mechanism. Let's get the box out of the way and have a closer look at the radio. Ah, by the way, there is this little keychain thingy, which has a very interesting lock mechanism. I've never seen this before. Let me zoom in a bit so you can see it better. I like the color, personally. Yeah, I like such bright colors like this green, yellowish one, or yeah, bright orange is also nice. But that's my personal opinion. Okay, here's the keypad, same layout as on the TK11. I've never had a TK11 in hand, but I guess the display is the same. There's the speaker grill, and here is the microphone on top. Let's see if I can focus on that. Here we go. On top there is this little cover for the antenna for this one. This goes in here like so. Yeah, and there is also the VHF, UHF antenna connector, of course. And on the left hand side we have two PTT buttons. for VFO A and VFO B. That's the same as on the Rattel. Then we have 2 programmable buttons, and on the right hand side we also have a little cover here for the speaker microphone. If I can open it. No. Let's use a little bit of force here. Here we go. And I don't think that there is something underneath here. I'm not sure. This is a total unprepared video, by the way. Yeah, we just got it, opened it, and here we go. On the back side, the battery, there is also a little cover for a USB-C port to charge the battery. The battery itself is, let's remove it. Yeah, typical 7.4 volts, input 5 volt, 1 amp, capacity 2500 milliamp hours, that's 18.5 watt hours. Weight of the battery is 140 grams. Let me focus on that here. RETEVIS amateur transceiver, model A3. Amateur bands 2 meters, 70 centimeters, 6 meters and 10 meters. Let's put the battery back on. Okay, interesting. This doesn't slide in. There are some 2 hooks here on top. Then you just put it in there and then you simply click it together. Let's have a quick look into the manual. What are these keys are doing? Okay, PTT A and PTT B, or 1 and 2. And then we have side key 1 and 2. And side key 1, by default, short press, it's the monitor, long press, 1750 Hertz tone, and side key 2, short press flashlight, and long press emergency alarm. So let's give this a try, but therefore I hook up the antenna. Let's turn the radio on. I'm not sure on which frequency I am. 443,775, that's good. Let's give this a try. Okay, this is the monitor. Long press. Yeah, the tone is working. Okay, it is transmitting the tone till you hit the PTT button. Let's try this one more time. Or press the button one more time. Programmable button 2, short press is the flashlight. Yeah. And emergency alarm. Okay, for my convenience I unscrew the antenna because I don't have much space here. There is my FTDX10 in the way, so let's put the antenna aside. How can I get into the menu? Let's see, menu. There is how many menu items do we have here? 1 to 10. 1 is general. Then we have channel, work, locks on and off, okay, there are sub-menus. Interesting. Let's go back to the menu. Okay, it remembers the menu position, so I was in menu number 3. That's interesting. I mean, TK11 owners will already know that, but I haven't seen this before. Let's go to the menu. Okay, general. If I hit menu one more time, then I'm in the sub menu. And there's the beep, voice, whatever MDF means. I don't know what this all means. This is obviously the microphone level. Let's turn this to the maximum. I will do an audio test later on. Let's confirm that. I turn the volume up so you can hear it better. The noise, maybe some noise reduction, I'm not sure. Yeah, once again, folks, this is a totally unprepared video. Just unboxed it and off we go. Okay, there's some side key. Yeah, there's the side key 1 short, side key 1 long, and so on. Okay, let's get out of here. What's in number 2? There are channel settings, squelch level, step, TX power, and so on. Work. What's in work? Quick call, Roger beep, S bar, on or off. Maybe that's the S meter. CW pitch frequency if you receive CW on HF, I guess. Vox, of course. Okay. Let's move on here. VFO and scan. That's all here in menu or top level menu 4, let's say. Next one is memory scan, frequency scan, DTMF. What's in DTMF? Local ID, upcode, delimiter. Okay. I don't know what this is at the moment. Therefore, I should look into the manual. 5-tone, NOAA, that's the weather, the North American weather channels. Host info. What's in host info? Host name is A3. Logo is RETEVIS. Logo 2A3. Version number. Yeah. Let's get out of here. And general. And here we're back in general. Okay. Here on the keypad we also have shortcuts. For example, if I press 1, then I have the squelch immediately available. And so on. Scanning begins. Now he starts scanning. Okay, I'm in memory mode. Let me go to frequency mode. VFO or frequency mode. And how can I enter a frequency? I guess I have to hit another key before. No. Frequency mode. Let's see. Oh, first press the bound key and then I can enter a frequency. 5, 0, 0. Here we go. And let's switch to VFO B. Hit the pound key. 4, 3, 5, 0, 0. Without having a look into the manual, let me try to program my local repeater. First, no, I don't want to scan. Okay, first hit the pound key and then enter the frequency. 4, 3, 8, 7, 2, 5. Okay, then let's go into the menu. And let's go to, must be channel maybe? Squelch. Let's set the squelch level to 1 or maybe 2. Okay, there is some traffic. Yeah, there is some traffic on the repeater maybe. Let me turn the volume down. Yeah, there is some traffic. Hey. Well, it is receiving, even with the antenna not plugged in. That's interesting. The repeater is about 8 kilometers away, folks. Let's have a closer look. I need a transmit. Here we go. Transmit CTCSS and receive CTCSS. Let's go into transmit CTCSS, and I need, how can I program this? Null. How can I enter the CTCSS frequency? That's interesting. Menu, and now what? How can I set the CTCs? Okay, with the pound key. That's okay. Null means it's deactivated. Then I press it one more time. Then we have CTCSS, and then we have, I guess that's DCS. Okay, press the pound key, and with the left and right button, I set it to 97.4. Hit menu to confirm, click next. Shift is minus, confirm, and the offset. Now comes the interesting part. Do you remember my troubles entering the shift, the offset into the Rattel? That's 0. Okay, enter. 0, 7, no. 0, 0, 7, 6, and hit menu. No. Okay, one more try. Oh boy, 0, 0, 7, 6, and maybe I have to fill this with zeros, then it's working. Here we go, hit confirm, and yeah, this is a wide FM repeater, so this should work. Let's get out of here. And let me plug the antenna in. And here we go. Okay, I'm pressing the wrong PTT button. That's for the upper VFO. I have to press that one. Let me try a QSO. I will ask them for an audio report. This will be in Austrian German, folks. I'm sorry. QX soll ich für JW?
Ja, ich hab da gerade wen gehört. Komm her, gell?
Hallo Emmerich und die ganze Runde. Freut mich, euch zu hören. Schönen guten Abend. OE4 Juliet Hotel Whisky. Ich möchte euch nicht lange aufhalten. Ich hätte nur gerne einen Audio-Report von dem Gerät. Das ist ein RETEVIS A3, baugleich mit dem Quanschenk Taiko Kong TK11. Ich möchte nur wissen, wie das klingt. Ich halte euch nicht lange auf.
Kein Thema, Juergen. Für so Schandtaten sind wir immer bereit. Also ich kann dir da einen Grenzstoff geben. Kristallklare Modulation, rauschfrei,
Very good modulation. Crystal clear.
Also eine dominante Modulation, wie was da eigentlich neben mir steht, Juergen. So kommt das da um. Florian, wie schaut das bei dir aus?
Okay, he said top modulation. Ja, hallo Florian, auch dir einen schönen guten Abend. Ja, ich hoffe, ich bin nicht zu laut und ich hoffe, es ist euch recht, wenn ihr dann zumindest mit eurer Stimme am Video drauf seid. Ich mache da gerade eine Aufnahme, habe das Gerät vor einer Stunde auspackt und mache gerade ein Video dazu. Ich möchte euch nicht länger aufhalten, sage Danke, 73, und ich hoffe, wir sehen uns dann am Samstag am Field Day. OE4 Bravo India Echo, die Runde, OE4 Juliet Hotel Whisky. Okay, once again, yeah, sorry about the color, that's because of my green screen. Very good audio, so they said. Very, very crystal clear audio. Let me give you an example how the A3 does sound. The microphone gain is set to 1 of 5. And before I start transmitting, I turn off my DJI Mic Mini. Audio test 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the RETEVIS A3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio test. Microphone level is 1. And now I have set the microphone level to 5 of 5, and I give you another example. Audio test 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio test. Okay, my friends, that's it for the moment. In my next video about the A3, I will do the usual stuff like measuring output power, harmonics, and I try the receiver on HF. So till next time, 73, bye-bye, see you.